for you sooner. Soon as I met you, I was swooning. All my friends rooting for our future. I'll be giving all my loving to you. Couldn't have asked for you sooner.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, hello, welcome. My name is Blessing. If this is your first time of stopping by, you're highly welcome. May God bless you. So guys, spend the weekend with me. Let me show you one thing I did during the weekend. So stay tuned, guys. Let's do that together.
And it makes me happy, then it makes me sad. And I don't know why I always compare myself like that. I'm no icon, but I'm not that bad. Sometimes it's hard to accept where I'm at. Lately I get down on myself all the time, wishing I could change most of the thoughts in my mind. Caring way too much about the people I don't like, watching all the best parts of their life.
So guys, after watching the plate, I just went ahead back on here and removed the clothes that I washed for 2 days ago. Then when I had to remove those clothes from the hanger, removing clothes and folding them from hanger, as in folding them is one of my biggest chores. Like it takes me so much time to do that. So after that, I just went to the kids' room to fix their room. As you can see, Jesse's bed is so messy. I just went ahead to fix Jesse's bed. And here I already put Jesse for a mattress protector. I'm just going to put his bed sheet. Just going to put his bed sheet and then I'll fix his cover. Here he sleeps only the duvet cover without the duvet in it. He will just sleep with the duvet cover because the weather is very hot here in France. So after JC's when I went ahead to fix Zara's bed and look at Zara wearing her brother's cap. So after fixing JC's bed, I went ahead to fix Zara's bed. So Zara have two foam that I added together just to make it a little bit cozy. And then I bought this mattress protector the last time, so I just went ahead and fixed it because Zara is trying to stop diaper now, so she have to get used to not wearing diaper in case if she pees on her bed, it won't soak her mattress or her foam. So yeah, so ignore my dancing, guys. Whenever I'm cleaning, I like to play music just to keep the mood going, right? We never go wrong with cleaning and dancing or playing music. It brings satisfaction like this like this mood of continue, you know, I get tired. See the way this Zara's mattress, this video skipped it. You would think it's that easy. Like this thing stress the living daylight out of me when I was fixing it, but thank God it was easy here. So I will not think about the stress anymore. So after that, I just went ahead and fixed her pillowcase, her pillow, and then put it there. And I love this her bedsheet so much because of the princess and the kiss sleeve. She always say my bed keys, or I don't know how she said my bed keys also. And that pillow that I put at the edge there just to protect Zara's head from hitting the wood her bed frame. So don't worry, she's protected because I always check up on her. Her room is close to my room, so I always check up on her whenever she's not sleeping well. I will just go ahead and fix them. So they are okay. And after that, I just put her blanket and voila. And so, guys, look at what I got. Like, I was so happy when I received this. I bought my first Bible. Yay! I'm super happy, guys. I'm super excited. I bought my first Bible in my entire life. I'm not mistaken, like in my entire life. This is the first time I'm getting a Bible for my like getting a Bible. I was so happy, like I was super happy. Like my girlfriend was like, everyone was like, man, I definitely buy my Bible. She was like, oh wow, like this Bible. I'm super happy when I received it. It's just like the thing just came like buy it because I've been meaning to buy a Bible for long. I will get it from Nigeria. I will do this. Oh, but that the thing just came like go to Amazon and check it out. You can find one day. And that was how I went to Amazon and just got it just like that without even thinking twice. Like it was as if God wanted me to get the Bible that very day. So I'm so happy, guys. Look at my Bible. This is my Bible, guys. I'm super happy. So, guys, here the next, I think during the evening of that day that I received, that was Saturday, that I received the Bible. Here is in the evening. I was in my Shein order. So I got this bag. It was supposed to be white. This camera making it looks like white, but real life is not white. It's kind of like tan new color. I don't know if I don't even know what to call it, but it's not pure, it's not white. But they say white on their side, but it's not white. So I got this beautiful shirt. Beautiful shirt. I don't know why I'm skipping this video because I don't want it to be too long because it's a vlog. But I just wanted to unbox this other in the same video, right? So I'll be showing you, I'll be putting whatever it is in the on the screen. And I love this dress that I got. I love it so much. I'll be wearing it for my birthday. I'll be using it for my photo shoots. And so I bought this mini skirt which I'm not going to be wearing outside, obviously. And this beautiful crop top. Yeah, I got that. Then I got this mom jeans that I've been eyeing for so long. Finally got it from Shein. Yeah, after that, then I got this beautiful, another beautiful crop top, very affordable, and this shoe, Shein disappointed me. I wanted to use it for my birthday photo shoot, but they sent me two right leg, like the same leg. So, but I already sorted out the problem though. And this shade, I got it there, said gray, but I received something like purple or lavender. I don't know what to call that color though. So what I received is like purple or lavender color, which I don't know. Oh, I love the color. I didn't bother to ask for refund or return. So, and I bought eyelash. I don't like eyelashes. I don't like lacking eyelash, right? So I bought this black two nails for my photo shoot as well. And this beautiful two-piece, yellow two-piece that I got as well. I'll be wearing them for my photo shoot. This and the dress. I just bought them in case I bought some for backup in case one didn't fit the way I want. I'll just use another one, right? So I also bought this top. As you know, it's almost autumn, almost September. So even again, it's going to be a little bit cold, a little bit warm. So I needed something that will cover me a little bit. And I bought this beautiful and awesome duvet cover. Like this thing is bomb. You can even use it to cover like without even adding duvet in it, right? And also that ripped jeans and another beautiful and gorgeous eyelashes that I got as well. I love it so much. Yeah, and also I got this cute bodysuit, right? I love the detailing and I love the drama. Like the things, I love the drama. You're going to see what I'm talking about. So I love the drama. You see that this way the opening came from there from stomach, or I don't know. Opening is very long, it's very high. So that's why I love it. I bought this shirt on my son. Then I bought this artificial nails on my nails for my birthday photo shoot as well. I love me some pink. Yeah, I know I'm a baby. So I love some pink. So I bought this short romper for myself as well. I might not be wearing this though. I already have one that I did not wear, so I just got it, which I don't know why I bought it. I also got this orange t-shirt, which is very lovely. So that's all.